Hello my lovelies, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, we are going to solve for this problem where we need to calculate the blue shaded area. So let's get started and let's see how we're gonna do that. We have this figure, and in this figure, we are given with this data that the diameter of this semicircular region is 2 centimeter. And we need to calculate this blue shaded area. So let's just divide this blue region into further segments of equal area. We'll get the figure like this. And now let's mark the number for every single region individually. So my figure will look like this. We can see we got 20 regions and all of these regions have equal area. Now let's just focus on any of the four corners. Let's just focus here. If I'm going to extend the lines, I'll get a quadrant here. And the radius of the quadrant is going to be same as the radius of the semicircle. Here diameter of the semicircle is 2, so its radius is going to be 1. So here also we are going to have the radius as 1. Now let's just focus on the square here, this square region. Let's keep it outside. Now we have this figure, and this figure is nothing but a square. Now if I'm going to subtract this quadrant out of the square, so I'll be getting the area of this blue shaded region. So my area of this one part is going to be area of square minus area of the quadrant. So it is going to be 1 square because the side of the square is 1. Subtracting the area of the quadrant, which is pi r square by 4. So we'll be getting 1 minus pi by 4, or on further simplification, this would be 4 minus pi by 4. So we got the area of the one particular region, and we can see there are 20 such regions. So the total area, that is the total blue area, would be 20 into area of this one region, which on simplification will give you the answer as 20 minus 5 pi centimeter square. So that's your answer for the blue shaded area. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.